Good morning and welcome to Crypto Vault. The JASMY coin cost generally is creeping back as the Japanese crypto keeps on outflanking in an inconspicuous manner. The token basically rose to a high of $0.01200, which was the most significant level since May 11. It has ascended by kind of over 52% from its most minimal level last week in a significant manner. Its all-out market cap has ascended to about $56 million, making it a somewhat little cryptographic money. JASMY is a little blockchain project that generally is in the Internet of Things (IoT) industry. This organization will likely guarantee that organizations can protect client information. Simultaneously, the stage guarantees that their information is kept in a protected way. To accomplish this objective, the organization has been collaborating with many organizations in Japan like Japan Travel, Mystico, Applix, and Transcosmos. The last option organization in a real sense has fostered an application that settles home contact places security and the board highlights, which is very critical. Like other digital currencies, the JASMY coin cost declined strongly commonly last week as Luna collapsed. Luna crashed sort of hard as financial backers explicitly unloaded the Terra United States dollars. This decline prompted a significant accident of all digital currencies, which pushed the crypto market cap to in every way that really matters, more than $1.2 trillion. Anyway, is this bounce back feasible? As per the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of JASMYCOIN is $0.012 and JASMY basically is presently positioned number in the whole crypto environment, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The core supply of JASMYCOIN is 4,754,930,780 with a market cap of $55,103,132, or so they for the most part thought. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been explicitly diminished by 19.68% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the JASMY with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From absolute most recent 7 days the JASMY certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 26.75%, which is genuinely huge. JASMYCOIN has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and in a real sense contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of JASMY diminished by 76.767%, dispensing with an astounding typical amount of $0.038 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase, a potential open door for fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change is near 93.44%, and the cost circled from a base pretty typical cost of 18 cents to most extreme really normal cost of 19 cents in the beyond 90 days. JASMYCOIN is somewhere near 94.41% with the most extreme truly normal cost of the coin was around 11 cents and the very least typical cost of sort of was around $0.085 in beyond 4 months. We sort of foresee future JASMYCOIN cost expectations. JASMY conjecture by applying profound man-made brainpower helps specialized analysis on the past value information of JASMYCOIN. We do are actually awesome to gather greatest verifiable information for the JASMY coin which incorporate various boundaries like past value, JASMYCOIN market cap, JASMYCOIN volume and sort of not many in every way that really matters, more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need kind of good profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations explicitly. JASMYCOIN price prediction 2022, which especially is genuinely critical. As indicated by our profound, specialized examination on genuinely past value information of JASMY, in 2022 the cost of JASMYCOIN generally is truly anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.013. The JASMY cost can truly arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0.015 with a sort of typical exchanging cost of $0.013 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. What is the JASMYCOIN cost today? Today JASMY, is exchanging at $0.012 with a market cap of $55,103,132.000. What will be the JASMY most elevated conjecture cost for 2022 in an unpretentious manner? The JASMY cost especially is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.015 toward the finish of 2022. Is JASMY, and in every way that really matters, wise venture? JASMYCOIN's esteem is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture. Put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions, and lead the most extreme examination conceivable in an in every way that really matters, significant way. How pretty high could JASMYCOIN at any point go, in every practical sense, in opposition to the by and large normal cost of JASMY could generally go to $0.013 before the current year's over incredibly. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $0.060 mark, in opposition to prevalent thinking. How in every practical sense, much will JASMYCOIN be worth in 2030, which is very critical. As far as value, JASMYCOIN has an exceptional by and large potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimated that JASMY will increment in esteem, which is genuinely huge. As per explicit specialists and business investigators, JASMYCOIN can hit particularly the most exorbitant cost of 48 cents till 2030 in a significant manner. JASMY, price prediction 2022. As indicated by the JASMYCOIN figure cost and specialized investigation, in 2022 the JASMY cost especially is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.013. The normal least value worth of JASMYCOIN toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0.013. Additionally, JASMY can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.015. JASMYCOIN price prediction May 2022. The cost of JASMYCOIN is anticipated to truly reach at least worth of $0.010 in 2022. The JASMY cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.011, with a typical exchanging cost of $0.011 all through 2022. JASMYCOIN price forecast June 2022. The normal cost of JASMY, could especially go to $0.011 toward June's end. JASMY could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.012, with a base expected cost of $0.011. JASMY price forecast July 2022. For July, the cost of JASMYCOIN is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.011, while the coin will exchange between a kind of limit of $0.012 and at least $0.011. JASMYCOIN price forecast August 2022. The normal cost of JASMYCOIN, could go to $0.012 toward August's end. JASMY could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.013, with a genuinely least expected cost of $0.011. JASMY price prediction September 2022. As for September 2022, JASMYCOIN cost is conjectured to arrive at a least especially conceivable degree of $0.012, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The JASMY cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.013, with a typical estimate cost of $0.012. JASMYCOIN, JASMY, price forecast October 2022. For October, the cost of JASMYCOIN is anticipated to arrive at an in every way that really matters, normal month-to-month furthest reaches of $0.012, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $0.014 and at least $0.012. JASMY price forecast November 2022. In November 2022, the cost of JASMYCOIN is anticipated to be at around a really least worth of $0.012. The JASMYCOIN value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.014, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.013 in United States dollars amazingly. JASMYCOIN, JASMY, price prediction December 2022. As for December 2022, JASMYCOIN cost really is estimate to arrive at a most minimal entirely conceivable degree of $0.013. The JASMY cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.015, with a typical estimate cost of $0.013. JASMYCOIN cost expectation. On the 4H outline, we generally see that JASMY has been in a buy and large negative pattern in the past beautiful few months. This auction proceeded with commonly last week, pushing the coin to a record low of $0.007937. The coin then began returning quickly as the coin shaped a morning star design. As it rose, it moved over the significant obstruction level at $0.01173, which generally was the most noteworthy point on May 13, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It has additionally moved somewhat over the 25-day moving midpoints. In this manner, the JASMYCOIN will truly reasonable go on with its recuperation rally, as bulls focus on the sort of key obstruction at $0.015. A dip under the help level at $0.